going to Dairy Farm Nature Park, and I'm doing a vlog there, so I hope you enjoy it. So he's not happy that we came here because he thinks that it's too hot.
It's hot, guys.
So actually there's nothing much here to see, but just like all the trees here, and like this is a place for like people to go for hikings and walks. So this place is like so muddy and so many trees and sand, soil. So whoever come here, there's not mosquitoes. So whoever come here, please take mosquito repellent and drink a lot of water. This way, this path is to the summit. I think it's like the top of this area, I guess. And yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes here. Okay, so you can see us, how sweaty we are halfway through the walk to the summit. And okay, so we have reached the top of the summit. No, going to summit. I'm sweating my now. So we are walking down this slope. It's very tall. So you can't run, you can only walk. I found some vending machines. Look at him screaming over there. Okay, so we are like damn hot now because the weather today is so hot. So we are walking back to the MRT now, and he's so happy because he finished the walk and is ready to go back home.
I'm not happy, my drink isn't cold.
He bought a drink, but he says it's not cold, so he's not happy with it. So we are going on a trip.
So she said she loves young muscle guy that is
No, like him, right? Because he's my boy. Okay, so I saw this railway track on the way out, and this is like so damn cool, where you can take pictures and like walk around. Let's go. Guys, I love being adventurous. Anyone want to go on an adventure, you can find me or us to go together, okay? So they sell all types of stuff here at the center here, so you can buy it.
Type of string. 70 only.
$70 only, guys. You can get it from here. Though some is second hand, but it's still so new. Look at it.
I think they sell hiking stick here.
It does. Okay, so this place, they sells a lot of things like second-hand stuff like cooking pots, paintings, vase, books and everything.
Books and
No,
everything.
not everything. So if you guys are free, you can come here to buy stuff. If you are diapers also got.
Right.
Yes. Files also have. Everything also have. Grab a drink, guys. It's so hot outside. 是不是? Please drink more water, guys. Stay hydrated. Okay, so whoever comes to the Salvation Army, you can come. It's just right beside the MRT. And yeah, it sells a lot of things. Maybe it can be second hand, but
Remember to wear a mask.
some of you might want it, so you can get it from there.
And they
There's really a lot of things there.
they do sell. Really?
No, I don't see it.
I saw it.
No, I don't.
I touched it.
Guys, so for 30 minutes we've been sitting in the MRT station and waiting for him to find a place for